So, here it is. They were pretty angry that he's getting exposed, that he's not really a Christian, but a liar, an actor, someone that wants to lead you into the pit. So he's a Satanist. He belongs to the synagogue of Satan, and he will be exposed. Others have exposed him. So here it is, the video that they do not want you to see. Let's play it.
We're not a fragile people. We're not a frightful people. Our power doesn't come from some self-declared savior promising that he alone can restore order as long as we do things his way. We don't look to be ruled. Our power comes from those immortal declarations first put to paper right here in Philadelphia all those years ago. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that we, the people, can form a more perfect union. That's who we are. That's our birthright. The capacity to shape our own destiny. America's never been about what one person says he'll do for us. It's about what can be achieved by us together. Through the hard and slow and sometimes frustrating, but ultimately enduring work of self-government. Because democracy isn't a spectator sport. America isn't about, yes, he will. It's about, yes, we can. That's what leaders do.
Tetelestai. Jesus Christ has accomplished and finished it. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ.